You're supposed to be their leader. Well, I'm here now. All right?
You're a good leader. Better than I probably gave you credit for.
I believe in Rick Grimes.
Rick is dangerous. They're dangerous.
That's not who you are. I know.
You don't. I'm gonna kill Carl, and then you see her here. She's gonna take your hand.
You can do it right in front of me.
You can take my hands. I told you already, I'm gonna kill you. Sergeant Major Rick Grimes. You probably think I'm dead.